it's time for Christmas.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be cleaning, organizing, decluttering my bedroom. I recently got these new dressers. If you saw my clean and decorate in this room, we got these new dressers, and before I just had one dresser that I had all my clothes, so I wanted to get them organized today, but I also just wanted to go through my closet and organize it, declutter it, get rid of shoes, just things like that, get it ready, because I end up getting quite a bit of clothes for Christmas. That's what I usually just end up getting a lot of, especially now that I'm older. So I know I'm going to be getting some new clothes. There's some clothes that I'm not wearing, shoes that I'm not wearing, so I want to go through, get rid of it. So we're starting out today with getting the bed made, and then I'm going to kind of sort through all of these clothes. These are all clothes that were in my dresser, so I'm just going to sort through whether they're hanging up clothes that I want to have folded, sort them, whether they're sweats, leggings, things like that. So that's what we're gonna get started, but I hope you're ready for some good decluttering motivation. I know it's always good to, if you can, try to get some decluttering done before Christmas, because you end up adding so much. I'm hoping I can get to the kids' room and my hall closet before Christmas. We will see if that happens, but let's go ahead and get started.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. So as I was kind of folding things, organizing it, I was kind of going through all of this and deciding if I wanted to keep it, if I wanted to get rid of it. So I was folding it if I wanted it, and then throwing it into the laundry basket right there if I was getting rid of it. And then I think I also, with some of the folded clothes, I know I did it with the hanging clothes, but for sure I'm not sure about the folded clothes. I made a pile if I wanted to just try it on and see if I liked it. For the most part, these are all just my comfy clothes, sweats, workout clothes, stuff like that. So a lot of it I knew if I wanted it or not. And then some shirts I didn't really want to get rid of because they're sentimental, whether it's some of our family t-shirts. We used to, when I was a lot younger, and my dad's family didn't get super big, we used to have family reunions, and we would go to a cabin every other Christmas, and every Christmas we would get
little t-shirts, and it was so fun, and I don't want to get rid of them because they're so cute. There's like one, and they like have like what number you are in the family. So like I'm number 19 to join into the family. We're a lot higher, and I'm like one of the older kids, and there's 19 because my dad has 6 brothers and sisters, so there's a lot of people in his family. But once we like all kind of started to get older, graduate, things like that, all of like a lot of my older cousins have started to get married and have kids, so it just is really hard to get like a cabin and just get everyone in place at one time, just because we're all so busy. So hopefully one day we can kind of do that again, but for now it's just nice to just have those t-shirts, even though when they were from, I think like when I was back in high school, so a long time ago, let's just say that. But you can see like where there's little chips on these dressers, and I said they're new. I brought it up in my old video. When they were bringing these in, we have such a tight little hallway. There was like no way to get them in without like having it kind of hit part of the wall. Obviously they really tried not to, but it just happened. So I need to finish painting another dresser that's going in Waverly and soon Wasey's room. So when I get that out, I'm going to hopefully just touch these up really quick. But I'm wanting to get that done before Christmas because it's currently just sitting in our entryway by the door and it looks absolutely terrible. So I have a lot I need to get done before Christmas, and Christmas is almost a week here. You might be seeing this when it's like a week away. We'll kind of see when I end up getting it up. Hopefully I'm getting it up in the next day or two, but definitely have a lot to do. So let me know if you're getting things done while you're watching today, because I know it's a crazy time of year and there's just so much that needs done. We've got for the most part most of our shopping done. There's a few things that we're waiting online to get here, and then I need to get like 1 or 2 more things for my husband, and then we'll be good. And then we have to wrap all of the kids' things. I have to wrap all my things for my husband, and then gifts for other people. My husband did all of mine the other day, so he's pretty much good there, so he'll be able to help out with the kids a lot more. But Christmas is a lot of work, and as we've gotten older, me and my husband have realized that Christmas as an adult, like, yes, it's fun, but it's also really stressful, and there's just like so much that goes into it that you don't realize when you're a little kid until you are older and you're the one doing it all for your family and kids. So definitely an exciting time, and we're so excited for Christmas, but it definitely there's a lot that goes into it to get ready.
And I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So in this tall dresser, we have leggings and like my pajama sets that I have. I usually just wear like sweats and a t-shirt. And then we have t-shirts on the next drawer. I have 2 drawers of sweats. And then the top drawer is just kind of like paperwork, things like that I want to keep, that I like will use regularly, so I just kind of keep it there. And then I do want to get a cute jewelry organizer, and that's something that I'll probably put on top of this dresser once I get the TV not there, but we've talked about the TV's going to go right where the crib is, where you're seeing. So I was just kind of putting my jewelry in there, so that way it was just out of the way because I was kind of sick of looking at it on top of the dresser. So I want to get a cute organizer. I honestly need to get rid of like half of it. I don't wear it. But now I'm going to go through and decide if I want to keep something, try it on, get rid of it, all the things. So that's what we're doing. I was dividing it into t-shirts, long sleeve stuff, and then was deciding what I wanted to do with it. And I am super proud of myself. I ended up getting rid of a ton. I knew based on my closet I was going to want to, but I had no room in here. I was having to like, as you can see, like it's just bursting at the seam. There's no way to like organize it really. So I was so happy that I ended up going through this, getting rid of it. It's been on my to-do list for a while. If I was running out of hangers and there was just so many clothes on the floor, it was just terrible, and I hated getting dressed every day because I knew I was going to have to go into my closet and it was so messy. So I was so happy about this, and I ended up trying something new this go around, and I had seen people do this where they put their hangers the other direction and then they flip it the other way, and I decided to do that this time. You're going to see when I have all the clothes put away, they're all put backwards. And I really love so far how this is turning out because I'm starting to realize like the clothes that I like instantly gravitate towards that I wear like weekly, and then the clothes that I like definitely still want to wear, just like, you know, I like to wear comfort clothes. So like I'm wearing those, but like more when like we go out to dinner or we're going and doing things like that. So definitely just made it to where I'm more aware of what I'm wearing. And then I'm like, when I go through my clothes again, if I haven't worn it, I can really tell myself like, okay, you're actually not going to wear this. Let's go ahead and just get rid of it. Or I do think I'm going to wear it. I just haven't, you know, had the right opportunity to wear it, whatnot. So I'm really loving the way that this turned out. I'll probably go through my clothes again here in like the spring when I start my spring cleaning. I always like to do that a couple of times of a year, but it definitely, if you're struggling to kind of get rid of clothes, this is a good way to determine if you're actually wearing your clothes, and then you can visually see if you've worn them, not just like thinking, oh yeah, I wore that not too long ago. Like when I go through my clothes again, I'm like, okay, back in December, this is what I, you know, had. If I haven't worn it, do I really want to wear it? Now, obviously the short sleeve shirts, that's going to be a different story because I'm not really wearing short sleeve shirts right now. I'm wearing more long sleeve because it's winter and I live in Idaho, except we're having an extremely warm December, which is really weird. Like we don't have any snow on the ground, which is very odd in itself. Normally we have so much snow, and I'm really hoping that we actually get snow for Christmas because that's really depressing if we don't, because I don't know the last time that there's been a like Christmas where I haven't been with snow, unless we've been in like California or something, like going to Disney. That was like years ago. So we'll kind of see if we end up getting snow this year for Christmas, but we're gonna go ahead, put all these clothes back. I like to do them based on short sleeve shirts and then long sleeve, and then I do it by color within short sleeve shirts and long sleeve shirts just to keep it kind of organized, and it's easier to see what I kind of have. So that's how I like to organize my closet. And then here in a minute, I decided to get my boots. I hadn't got my boots out yet because we just really hadn't got snow yet, so I hadn't done it. And I normally switch out my like summer shoes with my winter shoes because I have so many, but I ended up getting rid of tons of shoes because I just really didn't gravitate towards a ton of my sandals I had like I used to. So got rid of a ton of those, and I was actually able to fit all of my shoes I have in here. It's a tight fit, but we got it to fit. I know for Christmas that's gonna change because my husband always gets me some new shoes, which I absolutely love, and I've become obsessed with tennis shoes, but I'll make it work. Maybe I'll declutter, figure out a way to use the top as more shoe storage. We'll see. But I'm going to go through the top just a little bit and kind of straighten things up. I really didn't get rid of too much in there, but I'm loving the way that everything is turning out.
I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So I actually have some extra room in the long dresser, so that's been really nice just to have that extra space. I'm able to keep like my camera, my laptop in one. I'm going to, when I clean out that hall closet that I was talking about earlier, make a drawer for like my perfumes, because right now they're all just kind of like I have like a few out, and then I have like a container full, so I'm really not able to wear all the perfume that I want to. So I want to make a drawer that I'm able to just like see everything. So I'm really excited to be able to do that soon, just so I can like actually be able to use the things that I have. I would love to get a good like organizer for it too. We're gonna just kind of see what I end up getting. Honestly, we'll kind of see what I get for Christmas too. I never know what Trajan is going to end up getting. So between all that, we will see. But I just love the way everything turned out. Everything turned out so good. It feels so much better in here. Just way less chaotic, and I absolutely love it. We're going to finish up by vacuuming, and that's going to do it for today's video. I'm going to show you some afters of how everything turned out. But thank you guys all so much for being here and watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my cleaning and decluttering videos. If I don't get to it before Christmas, definitely here in January, that is going to be my top priority, because we got to get the kids' room all cleaned and organized. We got to get the basement cleaned and organized. That way we can put the toys downstairs. Got to get Waverly and Wasey's room just good to go, so that way Wasey can actually start sleeping in there. We got to decorate so many things, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!